Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm just doing like a mid-August update of my garden. Um, it's August it's August 18th. Um, here we have the garlic chives. They're about to start opening up to get the bunch of flowers, which I'll end up collecting when they turn to seed. It looks like they're doing well. The chives, the regular chives, they're looking a bit wimpy right now. And the empty space here is where it's growing the garlic, which the garlic, I don't know, for some reason they were kind of small. I guess I'll try to figure out what to do to try to get them to grow bigger. There I've got the spearmint that's gone to flower. This here is gooseberry, which I had planted, I guess about a month or a month and a half ago. I don't know, they're not getting too bushy. I guess I'll see how they turn out next year. The rhubarb, they were a lot, a bunch here, or they had bigger stalks during the summer, but I guess they're, getting ready for fall. Didn't really have anything growing in that empty space. And here I've got the tomatoes. I don't know if you'd see. That's Brad's Atomic grape tomatoes. And I've got some more here. And some more here. Over here we have a tomato called Black Beauty. There's one growing here. There's another one here. There's one back there. It's probably hard to see. Now the green ones, they're supposed to turn red. Those are Omar's Lebanese tomatoes. There's there, another one there. There's a few hiding back there. I hope they end up getting a lot bigger before we get frost, which I would think probably would be in maybe another month and a half, maybe another month. In the back I've got the cucumber plants. I think maybe for next year I should try to find another spot to grow the cucumbers. I didn't get too many. I had like maybe 4 cucumbers, and they were all kind of small. But I think they need more sun, and probably not to be sandwiched between the fence and the tomato plants. So, and in the compost, I've got some of the onions, which looks like an animal dug up this one. I'll take this one home. Or inside. The onions, I was hoping they'd get a lot bigger. The biggest one I have here is, I don't know, that's just a bit smaller than a golf ball. The other ones are kind of tiny. So, I don't know, even with the onions, just like the garlic, I guess I'll try to find a better way to grow them to have them get bigger. And anyways, I hope this video is somewhat interesting or fun to watch, and I hope to talk to everyone soon. Have a good day. Bye.